Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. My name is Hala Masood and I make educational beauty videos. In this video, I'm going to tell you a DIY under eye mask which is going to leave your tired and puffy under eyes soothe and refresh, and your makeup will pop out as well. No under eye creasing whatsoever. So what do you need for this mask? For this eye mask, you need 1 tea bag of green tea, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. I'm buying store bought, you can take the fresh if you have one, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Organic is better, but this will do as well. So first step is to brew your tea. Take a tea bag and just dip it into hot water and let it sit till it gets cold or room temperature. Now in a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Start mixing it thoroughly till it becomes a very good paste, like both of them should be mixed. Now start adding your green tea after the tea has cooled down, remember. Start mixing it, and we are not adding the whole cup, we are just adding a little at a time because we don't need the full cup. So just start adding bit by bit. Take the tea bag and squeeze every last bit of this goodness and green tea goodness into it, and keep on adding the tea a little at a time. Keep mixing it till you reach this consistency. It should not be too runny, it should not be too thick, it should be this consistency. Now take a cotton pad and just cut it into half to make 2 semicircles for your under eyes. Now after that, all you need to do is take that liquid and transfer it to an airtight container that has a lid, obviously, and now place these both cotton pads like halves into the mixture, like dip them in. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes to absorb the liquid. Now take them out, drain them, and now you need to place them on a plate nicely. Just see how nicely they have absorbed the liquid gold, I must say. Now all you need to do is place these halves into the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, take the plate out. These are your pads and they're really nice and cold. Ooh. Now you're going to place them under your eyes. Okay, let's take them. See, I told you there's no mixture on the plate because it's not too thin and not too thick that they have not penetrated. It has not penetrated the cotton pads. The cotton pads are nice and plump, so they have all the goodness in it. So, ooh, they're really cold. And it is cold today, you can tell by my jumper. So, let's place it under the eyes nicely. Okay, 2. Oh. Once this is done, you are going to wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, it's a long time, but you know, goodness takes time. So, I'll see you after 20 minutes. Okay guys, I am back and it has been 20 minutes on the dot. I just laid down, I was just resting my eyes, and it was like so good. My eyes are so like feeling soothed and cool. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, enough talking. Let's remove these. Okay, now just simply take them off and put them in the plate. Put them in the bin if you want. I don't have a bin right here, so I'm putting in the plate. Now whatever is left under your eyes, just go ahead with your fingers and start to massage it in. Very light fingers, very lightly. Don't put too much pressure on, just very lightly massage it in. It's all goodness, you should not wipe it off. Ooh, it feels so good, I can't tell you. Okay, don't put any in your eye because it's aloe vera and honey. I think they will sting, I don't know, but maybe. Okay, just keep rubbing them very nicely. so that the rest of the product is all soaked in, like absorbed by your eyes, under eyes. Now this is done. I have really patted it into my eyes. My eyes feel so fresh, and I think they look a bit hydrated as well, don't they? They look a bit better than when I started, I think. I may be seeing things, but I think they look better. So now that I have done that, it's time to hydrate my under eyes. Take whatever moisturizer you use on your face, whatever lotion, whatever moisturizer you use on your face, and just apply it under your eyes and your ring fingers. You can take it on any finger, it doesn't matter, but ring finger is the weakest and it does not put that much pressure on your under eye, so that's why we prefer a ring finger. Otherwise, you can take it if you can control the pressure. Otherwise, if you can control the pressure, then you can take it on any finger. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let's go ahead with the moisturizer. Apply it. Rub it a bit. A little in circular motions, because this will increase the blood flow underneath, which will also make them appear less stuck. Okay. And that's done. So this is it, guys. This is how you can make a DIY mask at home easily with just a couple of products and apply it to your under eyes. My under eyes look so good, and even with, you know, like after applying it, I can see no creasing. Like, it's not, normally my under eyes are very dry, they're very dry, so they do tend to get a bit wrinkly sometimes, but this time it's like amazing. Wow, they feel so fresh, they feel so nice. I will try to put a close up here so that you guys can see as well. It's looking very nice. So yes, this DIY mask definitely works before makeup or without makeup. You can just put it on your face and your eyes are going to say thank you. So yes, this is a perfect hydrating mask. Do try it out and let me know how it worked for you guys. I will be coming up with more DIY masks for under eyes or for your face. I will definitely be coming up for more. If you want anything specific, then do let me know in the comment box below and I will be happy to oblige. So yes, if you like this video, then please do give me a big thumbs up. Please do comment below and please do subscribe. Also, please do press that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And yes, with that I will take your leave. Thank you for so much for supporting me, guys. Yes, keep on doing that. I really need it. I will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you.